Hello, I'm Tom Crouch, President of Hayata, and I want to thank you for taking the time for watching our training video today. I did want to give a little bit of background about Hayata and its beginnings. Hayata started in 1999 and actually was a manufacturer rep for a company out of Taiwan. So we handled their sales for North America, and when that started they asked us to name the company Hayata. Originally I thought we would name the company their name in America, but they wanted to be called Hayata. And what Hayata meant to them was prosperous farmer. They saw us as their prosperous farmer cultivating sales in America. That continued for a couple of years, and then in 2001 we started to sell stainless steel cable ties. Now I'm going to tell you the story of our products. When stainless steel banding comes into Hayata from the mill, it comes in like this, a coil that's pre-made and slit to our sides. This size is 0.18 inch or 4.6 mil wide, and it comes with a safety edge already incorporated into the band. Therefore it's safe for handling when you do your installs. The stainless steel cable tie is actually made of three main components. The tail, which you're very familiar with, the head, and then there's a stainless steel ball inside the head. It also is made of 316 stainless steel, or another option is 304 stainless steel. In both of those options, the ball inside the head is the same material as the strap and head. The roller ball tie family comes in 4 different sizes. The 200-pound tensile strength tie, which ranges from 4 inch to 55 inch, and 316 and fully coated. We also have the .312 inch, 350-pound tensile strength tie, which goes from 8 inch to 55 inch, also stocked in 316 and fully coated. Then we go to the ½ inch, 450-pound tensile strength tie, which goes from 8 inch to 39 inch. Then we go to the 5/8 inch cable tie, stocked in 316 and also fully coated, from 18 inch to 30 inch. Now this particular tie is commonly used to replace banding on cable tray for faster installation. One final important note is to understand that these are the strongest around. And the reason why is, on these particular sizes, we have the strongest tensile strength versus our competitors. For instance, on this 200-pound size tie, our competitors are normally around 100 pounds tensile strength, so we're twice as strong as they are. On the next size up, the 350-pound, normally our competitors have this tie at 250-pound tensile strength. On the ½ inch, many of our competitors don't even have this size. Again, this is 450-pound tensile strength. And then on the 5/8 inch, again, not all our competitors have this size, and those that do, their tensile strength is generally half this size. At Hayata, we have 5 different types of specialty cable ties in the rollerball series. One of those happens to be colored cable ties. They come in a variety of colors. We currently stock 8 inch, 350-pound in various colors. These are primarily for product identification and cable identification. We also have 450-pound pipe marker ties used strictly to identify when pipe has been tested. They use those to identify each month that those tests take place based upon the color. Another specialty tie at Hayata is our aluminum tie line. These particular ties come in 3.312 inch width, 7.9 millimeter width, and come with a tensile strength of 50 pounds. Another product is our continuous roll cable tie. It comes in a 300-foot roll box, and the options are in 200-pound tensile strength and 350-pound tensile strength. You just simply pull out the strap to the desired length, get a cutter, cut off your tail, then you'll take your head, insert your head onto the band, you'll bend it over the top, and then you have your cable tie. This is great for customers that want to make their own cable ties to the desired special length that they have for their projects. Double looping allows you to get tensile strength from 800 pounds up to 1,250 pounds, depending upon the width you choose. It works just like the normal rollerball tie. You simply slide the tail into the head, pull it around your product, and then back around again, and then pull taut. And that will give you the increased tensile strength that you require for your special heavy-duty application. The last specialty rollerball tie is the zigzag tie. And you may be thinking to yourself, why does it have the zigzags in it? Well, actually, the standard rollerball tie that we've talked about previously, when applied to a pipe or a pole or any rigid surface, it will not allow the ball bearing to lock all the way. In other words, the tie will lock securely, but you'll be able to spin it around the pole, unless it's against something like cable where there's compression. Thus, the zigzag in the zigzag tie allows constant tension throughout the tie when it is installed on a pipe or a pole. This is available in 200-pound tensile strength and 350-pound tensile strength, ranging in length from 4 to 55 inches. Available in 316 stainless steel. Our ladder tie product family is made from 316 stainless steel and is coated fully with polyester. Our ladder ties come in 250-pound tensile and 450-pound tensile, which is why they are the strongest around. Our competitors generally come in 100-pound tensile and 250-pound tensile. The main competitive advantage we have is on their particular ties. They have one tooth inside their head, whereas our heads have 3 teeth inside there, adding extra strength and durability and, of course, increased tensile strength. Our releasable tie product family comes with a strap made of 316 stainless steel with the head welded on, also made of 316 stainless steel. These come in 2 different tensile strengths, or rather 2 different widths. 5 millimeter, which comes in a 75-pound tensile, but if you double wrap it, it becomes 300-pound tensile. And then also we have a 10 millimeter width. It's 250 pounds tensile, and if you double wrap that particular product, it becomes 450-pound tensile. The great benefit to the releasable tie is you can bundle a set of cables, install them, flip the tail over like this, use a hammer these 2 clips back, and then if the next week you need to come back and add more cable to your project, you just open it back up and slide the tail back out again and insert your cable. Releasable cable ties. The CT3 tool works with 200-pound, 350-pound, and 450-pound tensile rollerball ties and 250-pound and 450-pound ladder ties. To install a stainless steel cable tie using the CT3 tool, simply insert the tail into the head and pull tight. And then take your CT3 tool, insert the tail into the head of the tool, and actuate it until you're at the tension you desire, and push forward the lever. And there you've installed the tie. And it actually does a great job cutting the tail close to the head. The CT5 manual tool with preset tension adjustment, which can allow for uniform tension setting and automatic cutting on each bundle. It's lightweight, which allows for easy one-hand operation. To install the stainless steel tie using the CT5 tool, simply insert the tail into the head of the CT5 tool, slide it down to the head, and actuate the trigger. When you reach the set tension, it'll automatically cut off the tail. The CT7 will arrive at your customer in this configuration. This particular configuration is for a two-handed install. To change it to a one-handed install, simply pull out the pin, like so, reverse your handle around, put the pin back in, and now you have a simple one-handed installation. To install the extra heavy-duty 800-pound tensile tie with the CT7 tool, simply insert the tail into the head and pull tight. Take your CT7 tool, align the tail into the head, in the cutter, and the feeding mechanism. Once you have it inserted correctly, pull tight to the desired tensile, push forward, and you are done. And notice how close the tail is cut to the head, flush to the head.